So let me tell you real quick, I bought this probably about a year and a half ago, 2021. And since the time I bought it, it was opening and closing real hard. I mean, this knob just was really hard to unshaft and open up. And so I actually looked up Costco. I know that Costco's so good about returning stuff. How do you return something so big? And maybe they might send somebody out, but I just wasn't looking forward to that. So my curiosity got the better of me, and I took this sheath that runs on the outside, and they have tiny little knobs on the end, covers, and then on top of those covers, there's screws, Phillips screwdrivers. So you can take those off all the way around. This is what you end up seeing, okay? So these barrels were not lined up. This shaft, the bar was not lined up. These were loose. This was loose. And there was no grease on it. So it just was working very rough. If you'll notice that when I actually got this set up, one of these was sticking out further than the other. So that told me that the bar was cockeyed. So I aligned all that stuff, which isn't rocket science. These 3 bolts, I loosened them, pushed them all in the direction so they would all 3 be pressing against this plate. And I'm sure that's the way they designed it, because then when they did that, all 3 holes were sitting in the right place. And voila, it locks real nice. And it's beautiful. All right. So if you do-it-yourselfers want to open up a safe, the one by Bighorn seems to be really easy to work on. I don't know about the others. I'm sure they're all made very similar in the same factories.